my goal is to make videos for the average girl that isn't into makeup, that doesn't know anything about makeup. I want to make stuff that you guys can actually learn and like master, and stop having to pay people $45, $75 for a beat that you're gonna wear for one day that you really could have did on your own. That's my goal. I want to teach you girls out there how to slay on your own, so you don't have to pay nobody else. What's up, you guys? It is your girl Shay, and if you cannot tell, this is about to be another Get Ready With Me, but I did put a little bit of a twist on it. I am going to be showing you guys my favorite beauty product, and I'm not going to give you a long drawn out intro. We are going to go ahead and jump straight on into this tutorial. So first things first, before you try to jump into any type of makeup, you have to make sure that that skin is good and taken care of, and the best way to do that is with what, you guys? Witch hazel. That's my #1 holy grail product that I brag about all the time. I have discovered a new witch hazel. It's the hydrating toner with rose water. I recently started using this probably about a month ago, and you guys, this gives me such a deep clean. Oh my gosh, like I thought I loved the original witch hazel formula by Dickinson, but this got her beat. This is bae. So if you guys really are struggling to find something that will clean your pores, get rid of those dark spots, and moisturize your skin all at one time, this is your girl right here. If you would like a more detailed, full version of how I clean my face, my daily skincare routine, I will link it down below. The first makeup product that I want to talk about is primer. Now, primer is totally optional. I know plenty of people who do not use primer. I personally like to use primer because makeup can be very thick. It can clog your pores and just cause all types of breakouts and acne. So you need something to protect your skin under all that makeup. And my #1 primer at the moment is the La Base Pro Primer by Lancome. And that is what she's looking like. You guys probably won't be able to see the words, but this is bomb. If you can't tell, she is pretty much empty. I have to actually open this to get any type of product out. And the reason I'm holding on to this is because she's a little expensive. She is, I'm not gonna lie, but she's worth every single penny. And I already have her on. And if you can't tell, I do have my eyebrows on. Also, if you want a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, I'm also going to link that down below. But the #1 thing that I do use on my brows is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the color Chocolate. And that's what she looks like. And this is literally all I use on my brows today. No pencil, no to jump in. Next, we're going to jump into our foundation. But my #1 foundation is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade Y535. And this is what she looks like. And you guys, I have had this for a good while now. And she's super, super lightweight, full coverage, so many different shades, and it looks like your skin. I hate putting on makeup and like just from foundation, you're like, yeah, she has makeup on. This looks like skin. I freaking love this stuff. So I am going to be talking about some of the brushes that I'm using, the ones that I feel like are needed, and this is one of them. This is needed, you guys. This is the stippling brush by Real Techniques. If you don't know about Real Techniques, you can't get it at Walmart. Super, super affordable. And this is just what she looks like. This is bae. This right here, this is bae. Next, I want to talk about concealers. You guys already know LA Girl Pro Concealer. Get it at the beauty supply store. Good to go. Some other really, really good concealers that I've used in the past. The NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Bomb. Who else? Oh, the Maybelline Fit Me. They make concealers, and those are bomb. They have a great shade range. So if for whatever reason you can't Get a hold to the LA Girl. You can also try those. Those are both low end and high end options. Okay, so next, another favorite here on my channel is my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the shade 03 Medium. You guys know I use this in every video. And this is basically just to set my concealer. I'm only doing concealer under the eyes today. It's hot, y'all. I can't be having all that makeup and stuff all over my face. But yeah, this is just basically to set that. And I do discuss contour. And contrary to popular belief, this is not my only favorite contour palette, you guys. This is the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. And it is in the color medium to dark. But I love this in combination with this bad boy. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. This is in the shade Deep. A lot of people say it's kind of dry for them. I don't have a problem with blending this out. So, I mean, maybe for beginners, you probably wouldn't like this. But somebody that knows that how much blending goes into makeup, I think you can get by with this one. I have not been using this in my tutorials. I actually haven't been doing this in any of my makeup just because it's so hot outside, you guys. I can't be having this on and this. Oh, and this. So I just want to tell you guys, this contour brush is bomb. I don't know if you guys can tell the way that it's kind of made. It has a little dent in it. So I just feel like it sinks into your face, into those creases so perfectly. I got this from, I want to say Walgreens. I have no idea what brand it is. There's no words on it. And I can see the word. Next is something very near and dear to my heart. And it is highlights. So today I'm going to be showing you my top 3 highlighters that I love to use on my face. 2 of which are by Fenty. This is the Fenty Matchstick right here. That's what she's looking like. Beautiful packaging. And it is in the color Rum. You guys should know I love this one because I use her quite a lot. Ooh, okay, let me see. Get you guys a little swatch going. I don't know if you guys can see that. She is so pretty. I love this. That you do with cream, you want to go back in and do with powder also, which is why I always go in with at least 2 highlighters unless I'm just using a powder highlight. But whenever I use a cream highlight, I'm always gonna go in with a powder behind it also. So the first powder that I'm going to be using is by Becca. You guys have been hearing this one a lot. I want to call it because she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't even see. It's right there, y'all. But I love this because I feel like it is super, super great for dark skin. That's why you guys can't see it, because it's literally like melting into the skin. It's right there. But it's so pretty. And next, I want to show you guys my all-time favorite highlighter brush. This is from Sephora. It is number 78, and this is actually a pro contour brush, you guys. That's why I always say, whatever you are learning from me, you guys do not have to do everything that I'm doing. You can take these steps, change some things, and alter them so that they fit you. Makeup is not supposed to be done one specific way. I'm pretty sure if you watch my videos and you go watch anybody else's videos on YouTube, nobody else is doing their makeup like mine. Makeup is what you make it. Whatever works for you, just stick with it. You don't have to do it's no book that you have to follow when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I just want you guys to know that just because I'm using something a certain way, you might be like, hey, I could use that to apply my foundation, you know, even though I'm using it to put powder on or something. Then next, another favorite. This one is by Fenty. You guys have already heard me talk about this one. This is the Killawatt Highlighter Duo, which is Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. And I believe the highlighter part is Moscow Mule. Yes, it is. And this is a pink highlighter, you guys. It is pink. And I know you're probably like, a black girl use a pink highlighter. Like, nah, sis, I'm gonna pass on this one. No, sis, you need this. You need this. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Swatch on the back of my hand. Can you see it? It's right there. Oh my gosh, it looks good too. But I love pink highlighters because, to be honest, I think it's crazy that we use all these yellow tone and orange and gold highlighters on our face. because it's not realistic. Like when the sun hits our face, you don't see, sometimes you do, but for the most part you don't see like a gold reflex off of your forehead or off of your jaw. It's more of like a silver, just a light reflect. I don't even know how to explain it, but this is perfect because you see how this is hitting this highlight right here is hitting my arm, and then you can also see where the light is hitting it right here. This is what I mean. Like this looks more natural on me than to apply some gold, you know. So I mean, I feel like if you're my color, you can definitely get away with this. If you're lighter than me, you can get away with it. If you're darker, you might want to get something a little bit darker, but stay in the pink family, maybe like a purplish shade or something. And I just feel like this is the Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Glow is 04. Mine's broken, don't talk about me, y'all. And I freaking love this bronzer because it's like the perfect mix between like a brown bronzer and a shimmery bronzer. So the brown is making the contour more subtle, and then the shimmer is also making the highlight more subtle, so that the two just mesh together perfectly. So if you have a problem with like blending, definitely get this bronzer and just go in between the two. And just like the longer videos, the more in-depth talking type videos, please let me know, because I know me personally, I don't like long videos, okay? That's why the last couple of tutorials I haven't been doing my whole face, and you guys have just been getting eyeshadows on. Been like 6 minutes long, because I feel like people don't want to sit there and listen to me talk for that long. But if you guys like that, you know, I'll do that. But just let me know whichever you prefer. This Holy Grail is the Maybelline Eye Studio Primer in the color Black is Black. And that is the perfect name for her because she is black. Like, so black. I had, I actually prefer to use felt tip markers for my eyeliner. But this one is so dark. And I just can't find a felt tip eyeliner that's as dark as this. Guys, so I just finished my eyeliner. Next we are going to go ahead and jump into these lashes. These lashes are by the K. Marie collection, and if you guys have never heard of it, it's because she is a local aspiring entrepreneur here in Greenwood. Her name is Cabrisha Peoples. I will try to link her Facebook down below. That's how I purchased them. I just wrote it on Facebook when I picked them up. I'm not sure if she does shipping, but I will ask for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these off camera, and I will be back to record my outro for you guys. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look. All I did off camera was, of course, add my lashes, and I did apply my Buxom Plumping Lip Gloss in the color Serena. Y'all should know this is like my go-to when I don't want to put on lipstick. Put me on some gloss, get them lips popping, and we good to go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe. Any videos that you guys want to see, please leave me a comment down below. I need some inspiration. It doesn't even have to be makeup related. It can be challenges, story times. Any ideas are welcomed, you guys. This pretty much concludes the tutorial, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.